everyone, Mrs. Kerr here.
Hi everybody, Teacher Paula here again today.
So we are going to show you just a couple really fun and easy math games that you can play at home. And we're going to show you a few different tools that you can use to help play these games. So I'm going to use, for most of the games, I'm going to show you what to do with a deck of cards that we just had at the house. If you don't have a deck of cards,
you can take index cards, pieces like this, and just write the numbers on all of the cards and make a set. Or you can use a regular piece of paper, cut it up into squares, and make your own set of cards. All we're looking for is a whole bunch of numbers, just like on a deck of cards.
All right, so we're going to show you the first game. We're just going to place the deck of cards right in between my partner and I. And what we're going to do is we're going to play a game called More or Less. So first we need to decide if more is the winner or less is the winner. What should we do first, Teacher Paula?
I think we should do more first, the number that's bigger. The more wins.
All right, so Teacher Paula and I agreed that whoever has more is the winner for this round. So I'm going to grab a card first. I have 3.
I have 9. 9 is more than 3. I need to take both cards and put it in my pile.
So Teacher Paula won that round. Let's try again to see who has more. I have 8.
That's a big number. I have 6.
Ooh, I have more. I get the cards this
8
time.
is more than 6. She's right.
Okay.
My turn?
Yeah, you can go first this time.
Oh, I have a 2. That's not very big.
Let's see what I get. I have a 2. Wait, we both have 2. What do we do?
We draw again.
Okay.
All right, so we leave my 2 here, and I'm going to draw another number. Ooh, not so big. Now I have a 3. Miss Kerr has to be the 3.
Let's see. Ooh, I have 10.
Ooh,
I have more, so I get all of those cards in my pile.
She does.
So that's just one way that you can play a game of more or less. And again, so we decided that more was the winner, but we could play again and decide less was the winner this time. All right, let's add our cards back in the deck and mix them up. The next game that we're going to show you is super easy as well, and all you need is your deck of cards or your index cards or the pieces of paper that you made out of one big sheet of paper, and Teacher Paula is going to show us how to play this next game.
So remember, we've showed you how to play more, or you could reverse that game and play less. This is an addition game, so the first person who's going to go is going to draw 2 cards. So I have a 7, and I have a 4. And I'm going to have to add these 2 cards up. So I'm going to think in my head 7. I'm going to keep that right in my head. 7, and I'm going to count on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, Miss Kerr has to be 11.
All right, here I go. So I got an 8.
Ooh.
That's a big one. And a 10. Oh boy, this is going to be a big challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and do what Teacher Paula told me to do, and I'm going to keep a number in my head. And the nice thing is on all of your cards, they already have the spots that you can touch and keep counting on. So I'm going to keep 8 was the first card I drew, so I'm going to keep 8 in my head this time. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my goodness. 8 and 10 make 18.
Remember how we sometimes do 10 and 8 is 18.
Just
But
like
I only had 11, so who has more?
Mrs. Kerr has more.
She does.
I win. All right. So that's another easy way to just do grabbing 2 cards. You could play that game with a partner like Teacher Paula and I just did. Or that's a game that you could try playing by yourself if somebody that you usually play games with is busy. You could try grabbing 2 cards and adding them up. And maybe it would even be fun to try and write the number sentence
Good
afterwards.
idea. I love that idea.
So there is another game that you can play with the deck of cards, and we have one more game that we wanted to talk to you about, and you can still play that game with a deck of cards. You might have to do a little organizing to get the numbers you need out of the deck, or if you have some paper lying around, you can just as easily make this game out of index cards or pieces of paper. And I know we've played this game a lot in my class. Do your students play this game a lot too? So we play memory match, and so the point of this game is what you want to do is you want to find 2 cards that are the same number. So the very first thing that you probably need to do with your deck of cards or your index cards is to get them organized so you have them in groups of 2. that match. So then that way you know that the cards you're flipping over will have a match in there somewhere.
Yeah, I don't think I'd use the whole deck. That's a lot of
Yeah.
cards. I would think like maybe 20 would be a good way to
Oh,
start.
yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Madeline, we'll get some help
Yeah,
from
so
Dakota.
about 10 numbers is what you'd pick, and then you'd find their match. So once I got my deck organized, then I would lay our cards face down, all mixed up so that I know I'm not cheating or peeking on the cards that I'm picking. And once all of my cards were organized, my partner and I would take turns flipping over cards to see if we found a match. So I got to go first before, so I think I'm going to let Teacher Paula go first this time to flip some cards
Thanks,
over.
Miss Kerr.
Mhm.
The first number I flipped is 10. I have to decide where. I think the other 10 is hiding. Maybe here.
No.
Or no match. Put them back where they were so that Miss Kerr can remember where I flipped those cards from.
And Miss Paula was super organized. When she flipped her card, she flipped it over right in the same spot she found it. So I'm going to do the same thing. I have a 7. I'm going to check this card. 8. Oh, I was so close. But they don't match. So I'm going to flip them back over and let Miss Paula go again.
Okay, I haven't seen this card, so I'm going to pick this one. Ooh, it's a 4. Have we seen a 4 yet, Miss Kerr?
I think we did see a 4. I have it in my brain,
I don't think we've
Oh,
seen a 4. But we've not looked at this card.
Check
I don't
it.
think. Let's check it. I'm going to check. Oh, okay, can't pick it up.
she
I got a match. I get to take these 2 cards and put them in my pile because they are a match.
So this is a game that you can play at home with a partner, or again, you could play this game by yourself. Once you got your cards all organized, you could mix them up and then play the game with yourself too, if the people that you usually play with are busy. So these are just a couple quick, easy math games that you could do at home with just some items around your house that we wanted to share with you today. Do you have anything else to add, Teacher Paula?
No, but I think this is a great math activity. Sometimes we're going to actually have that in the lesson plans for you to play, and other times you just might want to play it for fun with your family.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye everybody.